Dozens of members of the Ahmadiyya Muslim Youth Association, Khuddam al-Ahmadiyya, have joined relief efforts as Britain struggles to recover from harsh weather conditions. Consistent storms over the past few weeks have caused floods throughout the country, killing several people, displacing thousands, and causing millions of pounds of damage. Ahmadi Muslim youth have been delivering relief supplies, cleaning to make areas habitable again, and wading through the mud and water to lay sandbags in affected areas across the UK. Earlier in the week, soldiers, members of a local church, and volunteers from the AMYA worked tirelessly to clear and fortify St. Paul's Church in Staines. Members of the Christian community later invited AMYA volunteers to say their congregational prayers in the same church. On Friday, a group of volunteers from the same Muslim group worked with the local community to prepare St. Peter's Church in Chertsey so that a local wedding could go ahead. The majority of Ahmadi Muslims volunteers are working in Dorset and Somerset, which have been the hardest hit. However, volunteers are also assisting relief efforts in Surrey, Berkshire, Middlesex, the Midlands, and Northwest England. The AMYA is operating a 24-hour rota with a central team surveying the hardest hit areas and deploying volunteers, 4x4 vehicles, and supplies as needed. Flood warnings remain across the UK, including along the Thames and in Somerset, on Wednesday with wet, windy weather forecast through the end of the month. Sadia Arouj, MTA News.